beautiful people, welcome and welcome back to my channel. Welcome to another awesome cooking video. This is a delicious meal. As you can see, it's an authentic Nigerian pepper soup. It is also beginner friendly. You know, we are in fall here in Canada and fall calls for soup, so I will take you along on this one. It is a very short video, and here are all the ingredients that I will be using, or some of the ingredients that I will be using. 1 medium-sized onion, 2 tatashes. We call this pepper tatashe in Nigeria. You can substitute these ones with red bell pepper, and this is authentic Nigerian spice. These ones are non-optional. Okay, they are not optional. This is Udda, Ehuru, and Uziza seed. I will also be using 2 seasoning cubes. I have 1 tablespoon of paprika, and I have 1 medium-sized carrot. I'll also be adding potatoes, sweet potatoes, not sweet potatoes, Irish potatoes. You can substitute the Irish potato for sweet potatoes, or even yam if that's what you have. And these are all the basic ingredients. These are must. Okay, now we have our main protein. I am using chicken. You can use beef, you can use any other protein of your choice, but for this particular one I am using chicken. I've washed and cleaned the chicken, trimmed everything, and what I'm adding here is some cooking oil. This is spiced oil, that's why it looks like this. Use any other cooking oil of your choice, but not palm oil. Okay, so I'll just add that, let it heat up a little bit, and in goes the chicken. I wanted to toast the chicken, that's why I was doing it this way, but the chicken had a lot of water, so I ended up not doing toasting it. So I just added all the ingredients and everything started cooking. So I hope you watch to the end. Okay, it is a step by step, like I said. Watch to the end so that you can see all that I did throughout this cooking. I'm adding the ehuru. I grinded it, all the pepper soup spices that I showed you. I grinded everything, and that's the first thing I added. And I'm adding the paprika. I ended up not adding all the paprika, I think it was too much. I'm just adding all the ingredients basically. And this is the tatashe that I blended roughly. Okay, you roughly blend it so you can see the chunk of it coming out. It is appetizing. And over here is dried scent leaf. Okay, because I live in Canada, we don't have fresh scent leaf. Actually, this was not dried, it was frozen scent leaf. Okay, but I already cleaned it. If you have the fresh scent leaf, that is the best. The fresh scent leaf, you cannot compare it. You cannot compare dry or frozen scent leaf to the fresh one. But if you don't have it, this is a good alternative. Please don't use I can't remember. This is the only, if you don't have this, you can use basil. Okay, a little bit of basil, but don't use I keep forgetting this other thing that looks like scent leaf. Don't use that. I'm adding the carrot, and I will let this to cook a little bit. Okay, just for the carrot to soften a little bit, and then I will go ahead and add the potatoes. This is very quick to cook. Okay, very quick to cook. And I must add, I'm using soft chicken. Okay, if you're using hard chicken, obviously you're going to cook it a little bit longer so that it will all cook. Thank you so much for watching this video. Please watch to the end. If you're yet to subscribe to my channel, please do subscribe and turn on your post notification. That way you'll be notified once I post a new video. And leave a comment in the comment section for me. I am so happy that you're here watching my video and supporting your girl. Let's move this channel to a permanent site.